Embarking on a new software implementation can feel like setting sail on a significant voyage. Businesses considering Sage Intacct, a leading cloud-based financial management system, understandably want to know the estimated duration of this journey. The question, how much time does it take to implement Sage Intacct, is a crucial one, influencing project planning, resource allocation, and overall expectations. As a project management expert, I can tell you that there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question. The timeline for a Sage Intacct implementation is influenced by a constellation of factors, making each deployment unique. However, by understanding these key variables, businesses can gain a realistic perspective and effectively plan for a successful implementation. One of the most significant determinants of the implementation timeline is the scope and complexity of the implementation. A smaller organization with straightforward accounting needs will naturally experience a faster implementation compared to a larger, multi-entity company with intricate financial processes, custom reporting requirements, and the need for integration with numerous other systems. Think of it like building a house. A simple one-bedroom bungalow will take considerably less time to construct than a sprawling mansion with multiple wings and specialized features. Similarly, a basic Sage Intacct implementation focusing solely on core general ledger functions will be quicker than an implementation that includes advanced modules like accounts payable and receivable automation, multi-currency management, project accounting, inventory management, and robust reporting dashboards. The number of users who will be utilizing the system also plays a role. More users often translate to more extensive training requirements, potentially impacting the overall timeline. Ensuring all team members are proficient in using the new system is crucial for a smooth transition and maximizing the benefits of Sage Intacct. Data migration is another critical factor that can significantly influence the implementation duration. The process of extracting data from legacy systems, cleansing it, transforming it into the required format, and importing it into Sage Intacct can be time-consuming, especially if the existing data is disorganized or voluminous. The complexity of the data structure and the quality of the source data are key considerations here. The level of customization and integration required is another significant time driver. While Sage Intacct offers a high degree of configurability, extensive customizations to workflows, reports, or user interfaces will naturally extend the implementation timeline. Similarly, integrating Sage Intacct with other business-critical systems, such as CRM, payroll, or e-commerce platforms, adds complexity and requires careful planning and execution. The number and sophistication of these integrations will directly impact the project duration. The availability and responsiveness of the client's team are often underestimated but are crucial for a timely implementation. The implementation process requires active participation from key stakeholders within the client organization. This includes providing timely information, participating in workshops, completing assigned tasks, and promptly addressing any queries or issues that arise. Delays on the client side can inevitably prolong the overall project timeline. The experience and expertise of the implementation partner also play a vital role. A seasoned implementation partner with a deep understanding of Sage Intacct and best practices can significantly streamline the process, anticipate potential challenges, and ensure efficient execution. Their methodology, communication, and project management skills are invaluable in keeping the implementation on track. Considering these factors, a typical Sage Intacct implementation for a small to medium-sized business with relatively straightforward needs can range from 3 to 6 months. However, more complex implementations for larger organizations with extensive customization and integration requirements can easily extend to 6 to 12 months or even longer. It's important to remember that these are general estimates. During the initial stages of engagement, a reputable Sage Intacct partner will conduct a thorough assessment of your business requirements, current systems, and desired outcomes to provide a more accurate and tailored implementation timeline. This detailed planning phase is crucial for setting realistic expectations and mitigating potential delays. To ensure a smoother and potentially faster implementation, businesses can take proactive steps. Clearly define project goals and scope. Having a well-defined understanding of what you want to achieve with Sage Intacct will help in planning and prevent scope creep. Ensure data readiness. Invest time in cleaning and organizing your existing data before the migration process begins. Dedicate sufficient internal resources. Assign knowledgeable team members who can actively participate in the implementation process. Maintain open communication. Foster clear and consistent communication between your team and the implementation partner. Embrace change management. Prepare your team for the new system and processes to ensure a smoother adoption.